Hi mga ka-UVG. Salamat po sa mga new subscriber. Tsaka sa mga returning subscriber, thank you so much po. Okay. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay. Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. Sa mga makaka-resonate po today, thank you po in advance. So let's see. Salamat po sa mga commentators natin dyan, sa mga likers natin. Thank you so much. Tsaka sa mga nag-share. Maraming salamat po, laking tulong. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. Ace of Wands, gusto mag-pop out. Six of Cups. Ace of Swords. The Hermit card. Meron kang, sa 3 cards na to, Virgo, meron kang, wait. Meron kang ini-introspect regarding sa past mo. Okay. So, parang feeling ko nagbe-breakdown ka dito. Okay. 7 of Pentacles. Waiting. Meron kang bini-breakdown dito regarding sa past and now you can see the truth. You can see the bigger picture. Okay, ito nangyari sa akin 10 years ago, ganito, or 2 years, 3 years ago, 6 years ago. Basta something in that line na you are, na, parang nagre-rewind ka. Mga pangyayari. Okay. And then, meron kang aha moment. Okay. So, what else? Or meron ditong second scenario, meron ditong someone, okay. Six of Cups is a past card. Past relationship, nostalgia card, past person, soulmate card. I-google nyo na lang po, makikita nyo naman dyan eh. Okay. Tapos ang Ace of Swords is all about the truth, aha moment, ideas, business endeavor. Okay. Ang Hermit, alam mo naman siguro kung anong Hermit, introspection, seeking knowledge and wisdom into the situation. Meron ka ditong tinitingnan, meron ka ditong bini-breakdown, experience mo from the past, tapos nakakuha ka ng idea. Maybe experiences, business, okay. Or may mga ideas ka na ano kaya kung ganito, ano kaya kung ganito, ano kaya kung ganyan. Sorry. Sorry lang. Nag-rap na ako. Ay, dito yung ano ng card ko. Wait lang. Parang ganong tipo. Okay. So, tingnan natin. What else? Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. For example, mga ideas mo ng business, if business ideas, if sa relationship naman, mga relationship mo, mga past mistakes, okay. Mga places and things na mga na-experience mo before na naging lesson sa'yo. So, let's see. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ka nagbe-breakdown ng past mo eh. Okay, let's see. Tell me more. Meron tayong King of Wands, upright. What else? Knight of Pentacles, the Hangman. Merong delay dito. Meron ka ditong mentality na baby step. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko naririnig yun, baby step. Okay. Four of Wands. Ace of Cups. Merong second scenario ako nakuha. Okay, so Three of Pentacles in the reverse. Naka-reverse ang Three of Pentacles mo dito. Okay, so tingnan natin. King of Pentacles. Di ba tapos na tayo dito sa tatlo pero it will make sense pa rin kasi may mga nasa baba. Okay, yun yung sinasabi ko, merong nagbe-breakdown dito ng mga situation from the past. Okay, kumukuha ng mga ideas or merong kang masasabi mo, yung feeling ba? Binabalikan mo yung feeling, okay. nagvi-visualize ka dito yung mga nangyari in the past, okay. And with the King of Wands is unstoppable, okay. So kung 'pag naka-set ang mind ng King of Wands, talagang gagawin niya. Okay, kung meron siyang gustong-gusto, hindi puwedeng hindi, okay. Even though merong delay, even though na merong slowly baby step, but it will get there. Yung target niya niya. I mean yung goal niya mare-reach niya, okay. Kahit na maraming patalastas sa daan, maraming ads, pero it will get there anyway. Yung parang gano'ng mentality, King of Wands, okay. So together with the Four of Wands is accomplishment. I think nag-introspect ka dito regarding home, celebration, family, together with the Ace of Cups, okay. Ace of Cups and the Ace of Swords. Four of Wands, meron kang family card. Meron na tinitingnan ng sitwasyon in a different perspective with the Hangman. Ang Hangman kasi is looking the situation in a different perspective. Merong delay or merong stuck sa sitwasyon. Kahit ang Eight of Swords is stuck, ang Hangman mapiperceive mo din na stuck siya in the moment, pero alam niya kung meron siyang clear vision kasi ang Hangman is merong halo. Meron siyang clear vision na alam niya kung anong gagawin niya next step, okay. I mean kita niya, nafi-feel niya, okey. At the moment di pa siya makagalaw, so puro nasa ulo siya, I mean nasa utak, nasa mind, visualizing kind of energy, okay. Ang Knight of Pentacles sa'kin is slow moving knight, pero stable, reliable. Knight of Pentacles, sorry. Oo, Knight of Pentacles, reliable, the man with the plan. Mahina nga lang ang proseso, it takes time, pero it will get there, okay. So kung iko-combine mo lahat 'tong with the Ace of Cups, hindi ko alam kung new love or merong new something dito bago. Ace of Swords tsaka Ace of Cups. So let's see more. Merong Three of Pentacles in the reverse. So ang Three of Pentacles is all about collaboration, partnership. Okay, team up. Pero in the reverse siya. So ang kinalabasan dito is I think mas kang mag-create ng sa'yo lang, solo ka, okey. I think ikini-keep mo 'to sa sarili mo na you are going to build something here. Ang Three of Pentacles kasi is all about creativity. Kung naka-upright siya kung makikita mo, ang dami niyang ginagawa, ang dami niyang kinukuti, ang dami niyang mga ideas, okey. Pero with the, ang dami niyang ideas, ang dami niyang, um Google niyo baga, ang Three of Pentacles. Nandito yan, eh, wait lang. Ayan o, hinanap ko. Three of Pentacles is teamwork, collaboration, sana naman mag-focus, grabe naman. Teamwork, collaboration, learning, implementation, building something, skill, security, goals, long-term, and reward. So, yun ang Three of Pentacles. Since in the reverse siya, ito ang niya. Disharmony, misalignment, working alone. Okay, working alone, lack of teamwork, disorganized group conflict. Okay. So for some of you, Virgo, ang Three of Pentacles in the reverse is you want to work alone. Kasi bakit ko nasabi yun? Mas pipiliin ko yung term na yun. Bakit? Sa karami-rami ng ibig niya sabihin. Intuitionally, meron ka kasing Six of Cups, meron kang Ace of Swords, at saka meron kang introspection card. So, ibig sabihin, marami kang lesson. Marami kang kinocultivate. Alam mo kung sino ang false people, kung sino yung tao mo at kung sino yung hindi mo tao. Meaning to say, with the Three of Pentacles in the reverse, you prefer to work alone. Okay. Or you are, basta meron ka dito, may goal ka eh. King of Wands energy. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. Slowly baby step, as I said. Medyo merong delay. Okay, pero tinitingnan mo pa rin, very positive ka pa rin sa proseso, you are trusting the process. Kasi nakikita mo ang reward, meron kang nafi-feel na victory feeling. Four of Wands is a home, mission accomplished, baka nagpapagawa ka ng bahay, it will take time, but you will go there. Ace of Cups, new beginning, new love, self-love. Okay, Virgo, so sana naman ay nakuha. Pero we'll see. Tignan pa rin natin. Second scenario dito, Virgo, merong coming towards you. Okay, very nostalgic, this person. Nakita niya na ang katotohanan kung anong halaga mo. Okay, meron na siyang nakikita dito. So, this person is going to move towards you. Slowly but surely. I think meron siyang trap dito regarding responsibilities or family. Maybe this person, meron siyang tradition, meron siyang yung family niya is not what you think it is, kind of energy. Pero, as I said, merong ang King of Wands at saka Knight of Pentacles is meron silang the man with the plan. Okay. Or hindi ko sinabing malalaki siya. Ang man kasi pwedeng human, 'di ba? Human. Basta meron siyang plano. Okay. Siya yung person na pag sinet niya yung mind niya on something, talagang gagawin niya. Okay, maybe this is you, Virgo. Vice versa. Either way. Okay, crosswatcher, bahala ka na. Virgo, bahala ka na. Basta yun ang sinasabi ko, energetically present sa second scenario. Merong coming in towards you. Okay, nakikita niya ang the whole situation, kung anong meron kayo before, okay, and this person is coming towards you, reconciliation, moving in together, new love, renew the love. This is a past person actually. But if this is not the second scenario thing, sarili mo lang to. Okay. What else? Tell me more. Two of Swords, decision making. Two of Swords is the Devil card in the reverse. Okay, so with the Eight of Cups and the Eight of Wands. Communication and action, Virgo. I think with the, meron ditong gustong wait. Merong gustong mag-break free sa toxic situation. I think with the Two of Swords and the Devil card is being here and the Eight of Cups, gustong mag-break free sa sitwasyon kasi this whole situation is a very toxic one. Okay. So, kaya meron kang Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, Four of Wands. Meron nga lang delay, baby step nga lang, but you will get there. And I think because of the situation, merong decision making. Nafe-feel mo na yung sarili mo na pag nagdesisyon ka, dadaan ka sa hell. Okay. Pag nagdesisyon ka dito, okay, alam mong it's a war. It's a battle. Okay. So, nagme-meditate ka dito, nakapiring ang mata mo kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na kung ano man ang sitwasyon na pinasok mo or ano man ang sitwasyon na meron ka ngayon or pinagdadaanan or napagdaanan is not real. Okay. Merong intuition, merong sa loob mo kaya piniring mo yung mata mo. Ifinil mo yung sa loob mo, nakikinig ka sa sarili mo, future self na sinasabi. Okay, even though na nakikita mo ng battle, it's a battle. Pero it's a win-win battle. Okay. Ikaw lang ang still standing dito. So, ang decision mo is worth it. Okay. In any way, shape, or form. Okay. Baka naiisip mo lang na it's a very scary kasi. Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, Four of Wands. It's a very scary thing lalo na pagdating sa transformation card. Meron kang the Devil card. Okay. The Devil card and the Eight of Cups and the Eight of Wands. Meron ditong magko-communicate na I'm done. Okay. Maybe done ka na sa mga toxic ways mo, over something, over indulging, over smoking, over drinking, over something over. Okay. You know you will go through something here. Pag nag-stop ka, pag once na nagdesisyon ka with the Two of Swords, bam, it's a war. War with yourself. Kalaban mo sarili mo dito or you are having a war relationship-wise, family, career. Okay. Pero meron kang action taker dito with the Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is an action taker, communication. Sasabihin mo or tawag niyan, magsasalita ka kahit ng boses mo is nanginginig. Speak your truth even though your voice are shaking or are ba or is shaking. You know, I don't know. Hindi ko alam, Virgo. Basta merong something dito na gusto mag-break free regarding sa addiction. Okay. Or for some of you, this is a person, relationship, career, boss, coworker, family member, I don't know. Pero alam mo na once na mag-step, baby step ka, merong result. Meron kang result na makikita. Nakikita mo na ang sarili mo na if you go through or mag-decide ka na mag-baby step, walking away one by one, gumagawa ka na ng aksyon. Hindi mo mapapansin it's an action already kahit na masabi mo konti lang. At least, pero ang Eight of Swords, ang Eight of Wands kasi is fast. Clarify the Eight of Wands. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, no, better luck next time. Okay. So, Three of Wands. Okay. Nafe-feel mo na yung ng progress dito. Even though nasa isip mo pa lang or maybe meron ka nang ginagawa, it's an action already. Once na meron kang ginawa or nag-step up ka, at least may ginawa ka. Three of Wands is a planning card. Three of Wands to the Four of Wands. Okay. So, kailangan ng ano dito, Virgo, um, yung addiction. Merong gustong mag-break free. Or maybe in a relationship, as I said. Merong gustong mag-break free dito, peace of mind. It's not easy. Okay. Hindi ganun kadali. Pero kailangan mong pagdaanan kung meron kang gustong ma-achieve. Kasi meron kang completion card. Baby step nga lang. Hangman, medyo madidelay ng konti pero you will get there. Okay. At least meron kang action. Kasi with the King of Wands, wala pa tayong genders energy, okay. King of Wands to the Eight of Wands, Ace of Cups, you will mafe-feel mo ang progress dito once na tinalikuran mo yung certain addiction dito or codependency or someone is feeling like this, as I said, vice versa. Paring ikaw or person na connected sa'yo or environment mo. Pero meron ditong plan, Three of Wands. Hindi kasi makukompleto ang Four of Wands if you still have something demon inside of you. Like, kung gusto mo ng peaceful and masayang buhay, wala naman pong napakasayang at perpektong buhay. Hindi ko po sinabi yon. Even though sinabi ko nga, pero hindi ganun yung gusto kong sabihin. Over-explaining, Virgo. Over-explaining. Sama na. Sorry lang. Basta, ang sinabi ko lang dito is, sana naman nag-gets nyo. Alam ko, nag-gets yung sinasabi ko. 'Di ba? You need to walk away on certain addiction or merong someone dito na naka-realize na kailangan niyang putulin lahat ng mga kalokohan niya muna or mga specific na addiction niya sa sarili niya bago siya pumunta ng Four of Wands. Kung nagpaplano siyang Four of Wands, Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, business mindset, you know what I mean, hindi pa lumalabas ang Ten of Pentacles at saka Ace of Pentacles, but nandun na gusto mo ng new love, reliable love, love long term, ideas, um, business of a lifetime, multiple source of income. You need to change something. Kailangan mong mag-walk away. Kailangan mong i-give up. Pero kung kailangan i-give up dito, hindi gano'n kadali. Kasi kaya nga meron tayong baby steps sa second row. But at least nagte-take ka ng action. Okey. Nagbe-break free ka unti-unti. Okey. Tsaka wag mong madaliin. With the three of swords, it will, naturally fall into place once na paunti-unti mong inaano yung sarili mo dito. Certain addiction, kung gusto mong bago or baka someone around you or siblings, family, career, relationship, vice versa, okey. Tell me more. Meron kang Knight of Cups at saka Page of Cups. Okey, nandito na yung attraction. Papasok na yung attraction kasi maggo-glow, eh. Bakit? Makikita mo kasi sa physically, okey, like in the Matrix 3D reality, makikita mo ang itsura ng ang tao kung marami siyang pinagdadaanan at meron siyang addiction, makikita mo. But if nag-walk away ka sa certain addiction or, nag-change ka ng pattern mo, and the way ang living, anong tawag niyan, ang lifestyle mo ba, ang lifestyle mo binago mo dito, may magbabago din physically, paunti-unti. Meron kang progreso, paunti-unti, walking away. Once na mag-walk away ka sa certain addiction dito or attachment or, the more na break free ka, ang daming papasok. Meron kang crush admirer card, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, romantic, hopelessly romantic, knight in shining armor kind of energy. Wala po tayong gender, okay. So marami kang maa-attract dito kasi makikita sa physical, outside of the energetically, okay. Magva-vibrate, I mean, 'di ba mararamdaman mo, basta mararamdaman mo sa tao kung maraming pinagdadaanan or hindi. Yung iba magagaling magdala, but at the same time, mga balance kasi yung gano'n, eh, yung, ano na pala ang edad, 46 na pero ang glow pa rin, yung para bagang nasa 30s lang. Mga magaling sila magdala ng sitwasyon or, kaya-kaya nilang, hindi ko naman sinabing, basta ang lalim ng nasa isip ko, ang lalim ng nafi-feel ko dito sa card na 'to. Hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung, meron kang ini-imagine ng pangmalaliman or out of heartbreak with the Three of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Kaya nag-introspect ka dito. Merong the new. Okay, kailangan mong mag-walk away. Maggo-glow ka, makikita mo yung sarili mo or maybe someone here is, transformation is a big factor here. Kahit hindi pa lumalabas ang death card. Bakit ko nasabi na transformation kahit wala pa naman yung death card dito? Ito na lang itself, oh. Walking away into a certain addiction, kailangan mo mag-make decision kung magiging committed ka. At least nagkakaroon ka ng progress. Kung gusto mong makamit ang love at saka business idea or something, you will attract here. Baby step nga lang, kaya ikaw is nagbe-breakdown ng past mo. Pero as I said dito, the man with the plan. Okay. Yun lang ang nakikita ko dito. Sana naman ay nag-get. So tell me more. May mga papasok sa'yo dito. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay. Makikita sa physical outside ano mo, kung how you take care of your mental health dito, Virgo, or addiction mo. Okay. Makikita mo yung before and after. Okay. Or maybe a certain person, makikita niya yung sarili niya before and after. Okay. What else? Oh, lumabas na Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, at wala pang Ace of Wands. Tatlong Ace na ang lumabas sa lapag mo. So, this is a big transformation. Magre-represent na rin ng death card to, tong tatlong Ace. New beginning. I mean, pero kailangan mo mag-break free. Kailangan merong someone na Even though kahit maliit lang, stagnant energy delay, but you will get there. Makakamit mo pa rin. Inner demon dito eh. Facing your inner. Or maybe someone. Okay. Merong gustong magbago. Okay. The Chariot card. Wow. Moving forward. Moving ahead. 9 of Wands. Wounded warrior. Okay. Based on experience. Okay. As I said kanina, alam mo kung sino. You know kung sino ang tao mo. Who you're, wag ka na nga kasing mag-ano na. Okay, sige. Sadya na merong naglalaban sa utak ko ngayon. Pero anyway, ang Chariot card at saka yung Nine of Wands, sorry. You've been through a lot, Virgo. Or someone here is been through a lot. Ang dami na. Hit rock bottom na to eh. Kahit wala pang 10 of Swords. Wala pang 10 of Swords, kaya hindi ko masasabing hit rock bottom. Pero you've been there. Okay. Sagarang pasensya or sagarang experience. 9 of Wands. Okay. Nakikita mo na you will hit the rock bottom. Ito rock bottom. Alam mo may hit, sasaplak ka eh. Pero before ka sumaplak, nakita mo na feel mo na. So, nasa 9 of Wands ka yung parang defense. Dumiskarte. Laban ka. Laban ka kay kuya. I mean, bago ka pa lumagapak ng sumalpok, ano mo na, nadepensahan mo na agad. I mean, you know what I mean. Bago ka pa, kaya this is hit rock bottom. Hindi ko, sinabi kong hit rock bottom. But near, yung parang konti na lang, buti na lang na-actionan. Okay. So, ito, defense mechanism, Virgo. Alam mo kung sinong papapasukin mo, alam mo kung sinong hindi, alam sinong deserve or sinong hindi. You are going to be so wise sa magiging journey mo. Okay, kung gusto mo ng big transformation dito, kailangan mo ng big leap. Ibig ko sabihin, kailangan mo take a risk. Take a risk. Alam mong feeling pag tumiwalag ka sa certain addiction or someone here. Merong glowing, dami kang maa-attract dito. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups. Self-love is the greatest revenge at all times. Ay, grabe. 10 of Wands, si track bottom na. 9 to the 10 of Wands. Sorry, hindi ko nakita agad. talagang ano ka. So, naramdaman mo talaga yung paglagapak mo pero paunti-unti kang tumatayo. 9 of Wands. 10 of Wands. 9 of Wands to the 10. But I think nag 9 of Wands ka na lang kasi umangat ka ng konti. Okay, so alam mo na kung sino mga papapasukin mo dito. Alam mo kung sinong hindi. So, Virgo. Sana naman ay nagets ako. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong advice. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, no? Okay, so believe into the impossible, Virgo. Tignan natin. Let's see. Emotions are running high. Virgo, yung excitement is to the max. Okay. Nakakakaba na, nakaka-excite na, hindi mo mano yung feeling, pero ang alam mo one thing lang is para bagang masaya na kaya curiosity. Basta emotions are running high here, Virgo. Okay. Let's see what else. Your dreams need a practical plan. Okay. So, as I said kanina, nagbe-breakdown ka dito. Okay. Nagbe-breakdown ka ng mga kung anong dapat mong gawin. Meditate and contemplate. I think yun nga ang ginagawa mo with the Hermit card. Show the world the real you, Virgo. So, public eye. Um, show the world the real you, Virgo. Sabi ni universe. So, sabi ng future self mo. Magkakaroon ka dito ng vision. The moment na mag-breakdown ka, makikita mo maraming mga highlights dito, Virgo. Tapos the moment na nag-iisip ka ng yung excitement, the moment na iniisip mo yung ma-experience mo before, I think, kukunin mo lang yung kung ano yung pinaka mapapakinabangan mo, like, pwede mong gamitin for success or for long term financial na alam mo sa sarili mo na magkakaroon ka ng breakthrough. Ang breakthrough kasi hindi naman siya all of a sudden mangyayari kung hindi din base sa experience mo eh. Kumbaga, ang breakthrough is graduation. Kumbaga, kung ba't ko nasabi yun, basta. Para sa akin. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo, Virgo. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. So, 5, changes. 5, meron kang king. 5, 4, 6. 546 Virgo, Google mo siya. Angel message number 546. Maaaring makaresonate sa'yo. Meron kang mensahe dyan. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Okay. Sana po makaresonate. Sa mga hindi mo makaresonate, better luck next time po. Okay. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.